I'm Melly Bean, and today we are going to learn how to draw a school bus. So go ahead and get yourself something erasable. I'm using an erasable colored pencil in brown, and you're going to start drawing a rectangle. Just a simple rectangle. This is going to be the main part of your bus, so you can make this as long as you want, I guess, but this is the size that I am going to make mine. Okay, next you're going to draw another shape coming off the front of the rectangle. You're going to draw a line on the bottom and then a line coming from the middle of the rectangle kind of down at an angle, and then one line going down to meet those two lines. Now you're going to draw a line right here kind of towards the top of the rectangle, and then a little tiny triangle right there on the front. And now you're going to draw another line. And this is going to be the area where the windows are on the bus. And then another line below that. And another line. Now you're going to draw in the shape of the stop sign. And then a wheel right about here, going more towards the right side of the rectangle, and a wheel right there. And then draw a little line going from the tire out to the front of the bus. I'm just going to fix the front of my bus here. I wanted to make it a little bit shorter in the front. And then draw a little circle in the middle of those other circles. And then draw another little triangle coming down from the top triangle. And then draw lines coming out, and then a little rectangle going up and down, and that's the mirror on the bus. Now we're going to draw these little double lines going all the way down this section, and these are the windows. Now you're going to draw a little square right at the bottom of the bus there. It'll be a bumper, and then a little circle above that, which is a reflector. And now I'm going to start rounding out the bus, so all the corners, making them more round so doesn't just look like a box. And then little flaps, little mud flaps on the back of each tire. And now I'm rounding out the hood of the bus. Now I'm going to speed things up a little bit for the coloring process. You're just going to start filling in with yellow. Now we're going to color the tires with black. So you're going to color the bigger circle, not the little one in the middle. And we'll do the back tire. Now that bottom part right there, you're going to color it in black and leave a little space in between the tire and the black that you're coloring right now. And we're going to use some gray around the wheel well, just above the tire. And we'll go ahead and color the flap also. And color the bottom of the bus with black, just a line there. Then we're going to do another black line right here, following those lines that we drew before. And then another black line. Now you're going to color in the bumper on the back. And then go ahead and fill in all the windows with black. So go ahead and get your gray marker, and we're going to fill in the middle of the tire. And now we're going to add a little red rectangle right here for the reflectors, and fill in that little dot on the back reflector, and fill in the stop sign on the side of the bus. So now go ahead and get a yellow gel pen and start going around the outline of the bus. I'm using a gel pen that kind of has a puffy consistency here. These are the, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to the materials that I use so that you can find out what kind of gel pens I like and markers and things like that. Go ahead and do more black on the back part of the bus there, And now we're going to get a white gel pen. And we're going to put some highlights in on the window and the front window of the bus. And then on all the side windows, we're going to draw a little line right in the middle. And this is that part where the window opens. And then on the tops and the bottoms and the sides of all the windows, we're going to do a little bit of white. Do a little white on the reflector, and you can draw the lug nuts on the tires, little circles going around. And a little bit of white above on the tires and above the wheel wells. And on the hood of the bus. And on the top side of the bus. A little bit on the reflector in the front. And last but not least, you have to write stop on the stop sign. S-T-O-P. And we're going to draw some little action lines here. Draw a couple lines, put a little squiggles on the ends, and there you go. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!